What's up, guys? One of the things that grinds my gears the most about motorcyclists is them blasting their radio down the road or at 10 o'clock at night in the neighborhood. It's absolutely horrible. Okay. What do you think is the most useless part of a motorcycle, especially a motorcycle designed in 1988?
Some familiar road, and although this way may not belong, just know you're not alone, 'cause I'm gonna make this place your home.
If you guessed the sound system, you would have guessed correctly. The sound system on the 1998 Honda Goldwing is atrocious, and there's multiple reasons for that. Of course, these speakers, they're 28 years old, and anything over 20 miles an hour, 30 miles an hour, you can't hear anything. There's absolutely no bass. It's super muffly sounding. There are many people that they will upgrade these speakers, and they'll get a pretty booming sound system. Now, I personally don't find it worth it, especially in a day and age where everyone has AirPods, everyone has Bluetooth helmets. Blasting your sound so everyone around you and everyone in your neighborhood can hear your music. Personally, I think it's one of the big motorcycle dick moves you can do. Nobody wants to hear your whatever you're listening to blasted through the Publix parking lot so where everybody can hear. Some of these radios are so loud, like you can hear it from across the neighborhood when they pull in. Motorcycle sound systems aren't just annoying and kind of rude to use, but really quite pointless, especially those people that have really loud sound systems. They're that loud because their motorcycle is so loud, their radio needs to overcome the sound of the engine. I don't think that's healthy for your ears. Some of these radios are so loud, being in the car next to them, it's hurting your ears. I could not imagine what the sound is like at speed with that music blasting and with the engine rumbling your entire body. If you can tell, I've never rode a Harley, and I've been a Honda Goldwing guy forever, and that's why I feel that way. Bluetooth helmets are just a much nicer, quieter way for the rest of the world for you to listen to what you need to listen to. It's in your helmet, so it doesn't need to compete as much with other sound, and everybody else doesn't need to listen to you. In addition to that, specifically the GL1500 sound system, it has a tape deck and it has a CB radio, and half of these buttons, I don't even know what they mean. It can be a little bit confusing. Like I was saying earlier, a lot of people will upgrade these speakers, and it is quite a bit of work to do so. And to each their own. Me personally, I don't really find it worth it. Like I said, even if these speakers were booming, I wouldn't be using them anyways. And in order for anything to really be playing through, you need to just listen to the radio as is. And of course, I don't even have my antennas on right now, but you just need to listen to the radio. And who does that? It's basically all commercials. And the ways people go about getting Bluetooth connectivity through this tape deck slot is crazy. I saw a video of this one guy, like, hey, more power to you if you do this. I just think it's kind of wild, and I'm quite impressed, actually. But he had a tape deck to Bluetooth receiver, like, connector inside of this. And then inside of the cubby on the left, he had, like, another receiver that connected to an iPod that was permanently like mounted onto his left handlebar. And I'm like, that is a lot of dedication just to get some music on the motorcycle when you could have a Bluetooth helmet or even get a Cardo or even just put in some AirPods and then just play whatever you want for the couple minutes you are riding. later on down the line, I am going to be doing a video all about Bluetooth helmets because I'm going to be getting one soon. I've really only gotten to use super cheap and crappy Bluetooth headsets on a motorcycle, and I don't really think those are really justifiable as a way to review them as a whole, because I know there are some that are much better. Of course, the one reason a motorcycle radio could be useful is, especially on the Goldwing, there's speakers in the back. If you have a passenger, it may be fun for both of you to jam out. And that's really the only way I could see it. But I do know the Cardos, you can share music with one another. So if you both have a Cardo set, you're both listening to it. But guys, let me know what you think. If you have upgraded your stereos and if you use your stereo on your motorcycle, why do you use it and what do you think it's useful for? Thank you guys for watching. Ooh, you guys, the channel has been doing really well, and a lot of you guys love the Honda Goldwing content. It means a lot. The other day, so in the first month of this channel, I only got 15 subscribers, and in the last 3 days, I got 50 more. It means a ton. Please keep commenting. Let me know in the comment section below what you want me to talk about next, and I'll see you guys in future videos. Keep on what you're doing.